Howdy, my name is Brandon, and I'm a business student here at A&M, class of 2019, and I want to know, why is the sky blue?
Alright, so I am an associate professor in the Department of Physics and Astronomy. I'm an astronomer, and I use observations from the Hubble Space Telescope and Keck Observatory and other telescopes on the ground and in space to study how galaxies like our own Milky Way form. Yeah, so the reason why the sky is blue as we see it from the ground here is because of one very important component of the Earth which we value highly, which is the atmosphere. What happens is that when light comes from the sun, it passes through the atmosphere of the Earth. Now, what happens is that with Rayleigh scattering, light that comes in at blue wavelengths is preferentially scattered compared to light at red wavelengths. So the reason why you see the colors or surfaces is because there's light that lands on that surface and then it gets scattered, and some of that light gets, is collected by your eye. So for example, if I look at my screen or pretty much anything around me, the reason is that there's white light that lands on it, and some of it gets scattered and gets sent to your eye, which is very good because that allows us to see. Right? So this is very important. So scattering is something that we experience all the time. It's pretty much the only way we see stuff in the world. The example I gave you was scattering off of surfaces like a desk or a chair or the floor. You can also have scattering off of the atmosphere. So it's a lot thinner, but you can still have photons scattering off the molecules in the atmosphere. And so what happens with Rayleigh scattering is that because the wavelengths are about the same size as molecules in the air, which is mostly nitrogen, about 10 times as many blue photons get scattered as red photons. And so what that means is that there are about 10 times as many blue photons that get scattered so that they can randomly possibly be seen by your eye compared to a typical red photon. So that's why the sky looks blue.